All right, how do I get up onto this thing?
Hop over the tailgate.
Hop over the tailgate. Oh, you guys have a beautiful view up here.
Yeah, it's crazy.
That's
much different than in the car, right?
Yeah, this is nice.
I'll flip you out of the back.
Okay.
On your first trip.
Yeah.
You gotta earn that.
If you fall,
Yeah.
go left or right.
All right, just try to grab onto something if I fall.
Don't fall down the middle. It's the only open.
Go straight out the back. Perfect. Oh yeah, this is nice view up here.
No, it's banded. It's nice banded. Good spotting again.
Banded snake.
Banded water snake. Good spotting. Gosh, I can't see it from here.
I'm the best spotter you ever met.
I'm telling you. Wow, yeah, I can see it from here.
Yeah.
From my seat, I can barely see it.
These guys are good.
There. Good job, Chris.
The hunt continues. A couple of hogs. Hog dogging. He's got his eyeball open. What? They don't care?
He's like, man, that was on my third dream. There's another one back there.
Yeah, there's two of them.
Leave me be. What if the
That
babies
looks like
are
a good
underneath
eating
them?
hog too. Oh, there's babies.
Yeah, the babies too.
Little baby
Yeah.
huggies.
The whole family.
Yep. Come on, snake.
Mud snake.
Get down. Cool. They don't bite.
Bring it down.
Oh yeah.
Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down.
All right,
calm
first snake in the bag. Wow. Hold on, I'm coming down there.
down. He's trying to poke me with his tail, but they generally don't bite. And then he's
Beautiful.
also musking me.
Musking you? What does that mean?
Basically, he's just pooping on me.
Oh.
Pooping, peeing, he peed on my shoe. So you'll get to smell it. But yeah, this is a beautiful mud snake, one of my favorites.
And they don't bite?
They don't bite. They're non-venomous. Very healthy specimen here. You want to smell him? You want to hold him? He's gonna get you. Yeah. Beautiful snake.
That's
Let me get a
super
picture.
cool.
My camera.
He's admitted defeat, it looks like.
Yeah, he just knows that we're not hurting him, so.
His little face is just chilling in there.
Yep. That is a beautiful native snake. Mud snake.
Why are they called mud snakes? They
They should have a nicer name than mud snake, but they live in the mud mainly.
So it's strangling its prey also?
It just overpowers its prey.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hold it, Dirk.
No, I'm good. Heiko is more of the nature.
Wanna hold him?
Sure. Well,
There you go.
it feels very nice. It feels like a very nice pair of boots, premium.
You're talking about my native snakes like that.
Or only the bad snakes get turned into boots.
Only the pythons get turned into boots.
Is that your hat? Is that a python?
That is a python. There's a python there. Go ahead and let him go, and he'll be on his way, and we'll be on our way to catch python.
All right, buddy, you gotta go back to your mud hole. There he goes.
Perfect.
All right, first snake in the. I consider that a catch.
That's a catch.
Good work.
Yeah.
The freaking snake grabber over here. What's your favorite way to cook python right now?
Either chili or pasta. Actually, the best that I had was a mix between that. It was a burger with python and hog.
Wow,
Wild
what
hog.
a wild Florida combination
Yeah,
right there.
it was good because the hog was a little fatty and the python is not. So you grind it all up and you put it all together in a burger. That made a good burger.
How much of a python is like harvestable meat?
All of it.
The whole thing, pretty much.
I mean, there's it's all muscle. You've got your skeleton, which is the backbone and the ribs, all the way down to the tail, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so you just cut the meat off of the ribs, get the sinew off. So yeah, the sinew is that white. It's in deer and hog and everything else.
Okay, yeah, okay, I know what you're talking about now.
It kind of covers the meat, right?
Yeah, it's like a silver skin.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Is that what it's called? Silver?
Some people I've heard
Silver
it
skin?
called the silver skin.
Okay.
Sinew is what it's actually called.
Yeah.
Sinew, nice. I learn something every day.
There we go. I did too. I didn't know it was called silver skin. But I'm sure as heck makes sense because it does look like that. I'm guessing a big gator.
Big gators back there.
Yeah.
We're walking on foot now.
Just stick together.
Gotta love the cypress.
There's some rutting going on.
Here, snake. Where are you at? Oh, the water is so nice and clear.
Yeah, a lot of people don't realize that. You think swamp, all mucky and everything. It's like, no, that's our drinking water right there. Look at it. Did you see these spider webs?
Yeah, big spiders.
Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They like have this whole area covered.
Wow, that's where how do they pick which spider gets the fly?
Well, I mean, they all put out their webs, and see, each one has their own web.
They're like that.
They're
He's on my web.
I've never seen that before. That is actually very cool.
Yeah, I haven't seen that before either.
Very interesting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yeah.
7 or 8 spiders in one spot.
Yeah.
Look at that one. He's freaking out. He's bouncing around.
Oh yeah, he's pissed off. It's like, turn off the light, dude. Wow,
Wow.
cool.
I bet Skunk Ape is out here.
Yeah, just sitting there watching us, smoking his pipe. These are peppers. These are wild peppers here. You like pepper?
Yeah, wild peppers.
Yeah, just do that. Grab one of them just like that, and then stick them in your mouth.
What? Like peppercorn, like black pepper?
Yeah. You just do that. Do this, like straight up. Like pinch it,
Mm-hmm.
and go straight up. There you go. Now
And put
chew
that in my mouth?
Yeah, there, chew it.
Okay,
Bugs give you a little extra taste.
there we go. Give it a little try. Oh, wow.
Pepper,
Oh, that's really peppery.
right?
Wow, all of this is pepper?
All of that's pepper. Wild pepper.
Can you swallow it?
Yeah,
Okay. All right, I swallowed it.
there you go.
Interesting. Oh, there's a snake.
That's the biggest rattlesnake I've ever.
It's a rattlesnake? You're gonna go for it anyways?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Jumping on that.
Oh, rattler.
Look at that big old rat on the back. See if you can see where he's headed.
Oh, that's a huge rattler.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my God! Look at that. It's coming at us.
Well, we got ourselves a big old rattlesnake. You see its head? Oh, I see the head.
You just enjoy. Look at that.
That's a pretty snake. I'm surprised he's not rattling at us.
Yep, it's another banded.
Not that bragging.
You got nervous?
Oh, now he's rattling.
Yeah, it is.
Rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Yeah, you hear that and it's time to change directions. Or he's curled up back there.
Yeah, it's a great shot. Get right behind her shoulder.
Big old head. I just got some good video right behind
you
you.
did get me?
Yeah.
Oh, you got him.
Mm-hmm. Got him.
All right.
Saw a nice big old rattler. Now where's that python at? Well, we got 2 snakes already. 3. Where are you at, snake? Team Slytherin. Well, well, well. Is that how it goes? Just getting a friendly massage. I wonder if he shows up on the infrared. I think he's right in the grass.
Oh, yeah, he did. He just stayed right here.
No, he doesn't. No, he's cold. Yeah, but you could see him, but he's cold compared to like the concrete,
Yeah.
which is hot. Wow.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
The fish whisperer. I mean, the snake whisperer. Back on the hunt. It is 1 in the morning. Found a few snakes already. Saw a lot of cool stuff. We're vigilant out here.
Hammy went in. I should have just backed up.
What is he?
Python.
Python? Oh my God. I don't see him.
Over here, come on.
Oh, he's right here. Nice.
Good spot, Donna.
Yeah.
This is how you do it.
Woo.
There you go.
Well, you made that look easy.
What you try to
peas
do.
on everybody.
Holy smokes. Look at that on the way
Oh,
out.
and now he's peeing there.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And a little musk. So you want to aim that at somebody you don't want to.
Wow.
I laugh with my mouth open. Please don't do that.
And I'm just holding him by the neck here because he is trying to wrap me. So I'm holding him out so that he doesn't. So what I was talking about earlier when I was saying you want to look for periscoping pythons, that's what I saw. I saw him.
Wow.
I saw him sticking his head out. See what he's trying to do right there? He's trying to wrap around my hand. So I don't want him to do that.
Oh, he's a feisty.
Yeah, he is feisty. He's a little guy. Oh, he's flapping around his musk.
Ooh, yeah.
Nasty!
Scoring it. Oh, wow.
No.
You wrung him out now.
Milking the snake.
Oh, nasty. Yeah, we are gonna let him do that.
No, he's squirting. He's squirting. Wow.
Now he's gonna get you. Watch it.
Oh, he's got a little hiss going.
Yep.
Yep. All right, there we go.
Picture time.
Squeeze that out.
The most rewarding part of python hunting, from what I heard.
Yes, exactly. It's all about the pictures.
Well, we need proof that they exist.
There we
It's
go.
so hard to
There's
find
your
them.
proof.
It's got that little tongue. Man, that's a nice one.
He's holding him.
Yeah. The last minute banger.
Yeah.
Got him.
You called it too. Get one on the road on the way home.
You don't have to hold them hard,
Yeah.
right? Just there you go. That's good. Perfect. Get everybody in here, and then we'll get you one for yourself.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Python to the rescue. Where's the best lighting?
It matches your pants, so hold them up in front of your shirt.
You gotta hold them out as far as you can.
Yeah. Hey, I'm a fisherman. I know how it goes.
Exactly. Long arms, big fish. All right, one more.
It's called perspective.
Oh, yeah, what's the best way to hand them off? Oh, look at that mouth.
Yeah.
Not like that. Yeah, you go down to you go down to one finger.
Okay, so I
when you
bring my
thumb
finger
is
up.
supposed to be
Take
up
these
behind
3
you.
fingers off.
See the way you control
Just hold your
face?
thumb and your pointer on them and go like
Okay.
that. And then I'll come and grab behind.
All right. You got him?
Yeah.
Ah, he says.
I thought he started liking us, and then he started getting all antsy again. The snake looks very happy.
Good.
The victories, the spoils of war.
Right.
Super sweet. Hey, if you let him bite you, I might get 1 million views. Is it worth
What's
it?
that worth?
Probably worth it.
That dusty reflection we were talking about?
Mm-hmm.
You see the blue?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And he looks like he's got
Put it
it.
in the light.
Yeah.
How do you know if it's a male or female?
By the spurs, and also if you push that out, you can see this is a female. If 2 little hepa pennies come out, they come out this end, and they're bluish. Girls are pink, boys are blue.
Okay.
And these are the spurs. It's hard to see, but they're tiny little. The females have very small little spurs. The males have much bigger ones.
Put her in the bag.
Okay.
Yeah. 3. There you go.
Woo!
Whoop, whoop.
Well done.
Wow, we sure got lucky getting that last python there. We did not stop until we got that python. It is 2:30 in the morning now. I'm back in my truck, and I've got about an hour and 15-minute drive back to Key Largo. But hey, my first python hunt ever, and we got a python. I know how hard it is to find them pythons out there, so I wasn't really expecting that we would find one, but hey, when you're with the best, we find the python. We found a whole bunch of stuff. It was a good time out there, and I might have to take my truck back out here and do a little bit of python hunting myself. That would be pretty cool. But hope you enjoyed this python hunting video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.